Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a photo as a wallpaper on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do this, we need to go to the settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper. And now over here you might want to press add new wallpaper. Now over here on the left side in the top left corner, actually you can press on photos. You will open the gallery with your photos. And now over here we can choose the photo that we wish to set as the wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Of course, we can switch between different styles over here. You can also customize them by finding this additional color option, for instance, and so on and so forth. We also have these three dots in order to show the photo in library and so on. Once we are done, of course, remember that you can extend the wallpaper and so on. So keep that in mind. Let's press add in the top right corner, and then we can set it as wallpaper pair, or we can go to customize home screen. If you choose to customize the home screen, then of course you can either choose the pair, you can choose a single color, you can create a gradient, or you can even use a completely different photo by pressing this photo button over here. And of course you can enable and disable the blur for the photo in the home screen. So press done in the top right corner, and there we go. We have now a new wallpaper that is of course our photo set as wallpaper. Keep in mind that, for instance, if you change the wallpaper, you might want to set it as current. Of course, if you add a new wallpaper, then it will be automatically set as current. However, in some cases, if you want to switch back, then over here at the top you have set as current. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!